Most of the work you're doing is something you have to do. To manage these tasks and to keep track of all the little things and big things, to-do lists have been invented some dozen years back and gained huge popularity. Of course, PROTONET SOUL offers you to-do lists, so you can be more productive and can concentrate on your actual work at hand. So how do you work with to-dos in Soul? Every group can have as many to-do lists as you want. To create a new list, simply click on To-dos. In this tab, you'll see all the to-dos your team created. Now, just choose New To-Do List and give it a name. Then you want to choose all the group members that should also work on or see your new list. Hit Save and your list is being created. Now you just drop in all the little to-dos that belong to your list. If you finish the task, mark it as done. Beneath the list, you can choose to hide or show all finished to-dos. You can also change the order of the task by simply dragging and dropping them to their new position. This is valuable to assign priorities. Of course, tasks have to be done by someone, so you probably want to assign it to yourself or even better, someone on your team. What I really like about Soul is that it has a chat attached to almost every object. By simply clicking on a task, you open the chat, where you can ask for further instructions or keep everyone posted about the latest updates. My special tip: upload the final result of your work into the chat for documentation's sake. So you and your colleagues will always find the final version. Alas, most of your to-dos have to be done at some point, so you might want to set a finishing date to keep track on important deadlines. Obviously, not only each task has its own chat, the to-do list itself has one as well. Use it to communicate with your team about the overall updates of your project. If you have a lot of to-do lists in a certain group, fortunately, there's a filter you can use to show only the ones you want to work on. If your to-do list is really important and you want to show progress to the whole group, you should add it as a widget to the group overview. Go to Home and then add the list. It will display how far you got and allows everyone to access it with a single click. More often than not, you will work in different groups on several to-do lists. On the sidebar, you'll find a to-do button that allows you to access your personal to-do overview. You can have a private to-do list here, filter for all tasks that you're assigned to, those you created, and those that are overdue. Also, you can quick access all lists within the groups. Organizing your work with to-do lists is not the newest idea, but it's still highly effective and easy to grasp. PROTONET SOUL equips your team with the right tool to get the job done.